stand in it, so I'm safe.
You're gonna mess up my snowman. Get up there, Luke.
This is where Santa sat. It's nice and cool, right?
Well, yeah, he had a big old costume on, a big old outfit on. He's like putting it together. Hey, Bug. Luke. Hi. You having fun? There you go. Good job. You're learning from her, huh? Oh, you took your button. They took your button. Yeah, he's going to tell you all about it.
Where's the button? Put it
That
on.
boy.
Put it on.
Yay, Luke. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job, babe.
Hey, Luke, look on this side.
Here, let's look over here.
Come here.
Here, Bug.
Come here. Look on this side. Whoa. Did you put your done?
Here's a button. Here's buttons. You do the buttons. You're in charge of buttons. Here. Okay, and we put the corn cob. Okay, what you see? What do you find?
Papaw can't figure out how to get it to the stick. There you go. Good job.
Yay! Here. What's that? Put some buttons on. Put some buttons on.
Good job, bud.